welcome back to my channel. It's Elle Chanel, and I'll be showing you all how I style my wig. I have a 5x5 lace closure by Ali Pearl, and my bundles are from Hair by Honey. She's located in Chicago, and she does have a website, so you all can order her hair. It's amazing. It's the only hair I wear, period. So you all are gonna see how I do my hair. And honestly speaking, I know my hair looks crazy, but I'm gonna tell y'all the reason why my hair looks like this. I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to braid to the back. I just know how to do these kind of braids. So yeah, if you don't know how to French braid going to the back, like cornrow and all that type of stuff, you can do this. It's still a protective style at the end of the day. And yeah, so that's that. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you go watch my other Pride video look so you all can see how I got this beautiful look. It'll be right beside this video, right under, whatever. It'll be right under this video. Just wanted to show you all how the wig looks without any product. It's freshly washed, nothing in it, and that's why it looks a mess. The products I'll be using is the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray, Chi Helmet Head Holding Spray, Nairobi Mousse, that's very important, coconut oil, my Remington Curling Wand, my Electric Hot Comb by Annie, a clip, and some combs. Starting off, I'll be using just a dab of my coconut oil and spreading that all around the hair generously, but not too generous. I'm taking my wide tooth comb and combing out all the kinks that are in the wig. So I've already sectioned off my first piece, and I'm just combing it out with my rat tail comb. Whenever I begin to use the curling iron, I always bump the top part before I even begin to wrap the hair around the wand. I just like to make sure that's flat. Whenever I'm curling my hair, the front part of my hair, I always take the hair and I wrap it around the opposite way. You want to wrap the hair around the curling wand away from your face. Not forward, but away. I hold the hair around the curling wand for at least 7 seconds, and I don't let the hair just drop. I always hold it with my hand. You'll feel the heat, and that's how you know that your curls are you need to hold it into place so that heat can lock into place. Maybe. I don't know. So I'm not going to talk through the whole video, but I am going to remind you to comb out every kink before you wrap it around the curling wand. Hold the curling wand for 7 seconds. Once you let go of the hair, hold on to the hair, I guess for maybe 3 seconds. And once you let that go, it'll be nice and bouncy. And keep repeating every step. very lightly. I don't hold the hot comb down on the lace for too long because you don't want to burn a hole in your lace. So make sure you're doing this very lightly, and be careful. Please be careful because it's really hot. These things get extremely hot. placing a little bit of that gel on my edges here, just to slick them back some. This is the cap that I use. It's by Red Kiss. You can get it from your beauty supply. It's in the color Natural Brown. It's perfect for my skin tone. And how I pin my wig down is I use bobby pins. I use a little bit of the Got To Be spray on my edge, like when I do my little swoop, but other than that, I use bobby pins because this is my everyday wig. So I'm going to take whatever concealer that I have left over on this brush and just go right down here. I'm going to heat up my hot comb so that I can make this part here stand upward and make this kind of go backward. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I love you guys so much. I need all the support I can get because I'm trying to go to the top with my YouTube career. So I had so much fun doing this look. It was a process, I will say that, because anytime you wash your wig and you gotta mold it back into shape, it's a process. So all right, and that's the end of this video. Yes, I'm feeling it.